No more making plans to print tomorrow. Kodak Step Printer connects to any iOS or Android smartphone, tablet or similar device, via Bluetooth or NFC, so you can print pics instantly. Amazing zero ink technology. Zinc innovation eliminates the need for pricey ink cartridges, toners, or ribbons. Portable, lightweight device features built-in lithium-ion rechargeable battery, prints 25 photo on a full charge. Step up your printing game with the Kodak Step Wireless Mobile Photo Printer. This is going to be a how-to video on anything and everything this incredible device can do. The Kodak Step Printer comes in both black and white variants. Let's take a look at the packaging of this device. Its clean design makes it a great gift idea for family or coworkers. Slide the protector from the box. Remove your printer and place it to the side. Beneath you will find a USB power supply which you will use to charge your device. You will also find a sample pack of Kodak zinc photo paper which we will use to print all of your photographs. Tear open your packet of Kodak zinc photo paper and remove your blue zinc smart sheet. Do not lose this sheet of paper. Now remove the plastic film from around your printer and find the side with the Kodak logo. With your palm or thumbs, slide the cover off to reveal its paper bay. Place the blue zinc smart sheet face down into the bay, the photo paper glossy side up on top of it. Now close the lid. Find your power button on the side of the printer. Hold down on it until you see a little white light flashing. Your printer is now on, and when fully charged, will print up to 25 prints on your iOS or Android phone or tablet. Head to the App Store and download the Kodak Step Printer app. Once installed, open the app and tap the logo in the top right corner. Your Kodak Step will appear. If you have any difficulties finding it, make sure your phone or tablet's Bluetooth is on. Also, be sure that the printer's lights are indicating power. Tap on your printer's name and now you're set to begin. In your gallery, select the first picture you would like to print. Select Edit Photo. There are many different options when it comes to editing with the Kodak Step app. Here are just a few of the filters we can use. Let's also add a frame to this one. I'm loving this flower print. When you are ready to print, click the check mark at the bottom of your screen on the top, tap Save. From here you have the option of printing the photo or simply just saving it to your device. Let's hit Print. Using your fingers, you can adjust the crop of your image in the print preview. You will be given the option to create multiple copies or add a timestamp. Let's print first. Your blue smart sheet will be read and ejected. Keep this card somewhere safe. This is where the magic happens. Watch as your photo is printed with the zinc photo paper. There's never a need to go out and order more expensive ink. Let's try another one. We've got tons of fun stickers to try out. Let's give Dad some cool glasses and a mustache. Wow, check this out. You can also adjust other things, such as brightness, temperature, crop, blur. You can add text or you can paint over your images. There's no limit to the masterpieces that you're about to create. Collages are also possible with this printer. Select 2 to 4 images that you'd like to use. Edit and now print. Look at that. Just like a photo booth, the Step Printer is designed for photo-loving influencers and crafters of all ages and skill levels. Add it to your photo-making collection today.